wow, come on, come on. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I am coming down back the hill now. I don't cut the flowers yet, you know. I'm just carrying it around, guys, showing one of my daily routine at work. Yes, guys. So I'm going around that side now to show you the other part where the other villas are. I'm not going to reach as far because up there going to take too much time because it's a little distance to go up that side. But I'm just going to show you around the corner here, and then I go and cut my flowers and go back to my work. I soon give you some live, you know, guys. Yes, soon give you some live chat. Ah, I love you so much, guys. Love you all, and thanks for the patience that you have with me, and thanks for all those who are giving me the encouragement. Please continue, because that helped me keep me going. Oh, I come up here all the while and I say, you must video it, but I just remember it right now and just take up my phone and say, make a video while I'm going now. Ah, but I always going on hills. This is the next tank. This is a tank down here. That's when the water, there's no running water in the pipe. This tank store the water for them. Oh, make you see. Alright, guys. Yes, guys, this is the next section. Going up the other houses, guys. Rain is dewing. Wow. We have a long way to go up. Wow, see a villa up there? You never come this far, you know. Oh my. Look, guys. I've never come all the way around here. So I'm doing it for you guys. Wow. Rain is coming, me a wet up, man. One of them can give me a shelter. Oh my. Oh, this is it up here. I never come all the way up here so tall, you know. I want the gate supposed to be all the way around there. Let's go a little further, as you guys can see it. Just showing you around, guys. Please watch and enjoy nature's way. Right, guys, that is the villa up there. See it there, guys? Are you seeing it? Alright. So I'm going around. I don't know if the gate is nearby. It's the first I'm coming this part. They have a lot of fern. Wow. This looks like Fern Gully in St. Anne. Look at it, guys. Oh, I am in the rain. Guys, I'm tired. Wow. Guys. Wow, it's the first ever come up this side, you know. Here is pretty, man. Very pretty. Everything is just green and fresh. But I don't have any sunshine up this side. It's pure rain. Wow, look at these flowers, guys. Oh, please enjoy my video, guys. Please watch and enjoy. And please like up the video as you come along, please guys. And help me to reach my 1K, please. I don't know, sometimes my account goes down, sometimes it goes up. I don't know what is the cause of that. Anybody can tell me? And what can I do to improve from making my numbers don't go down, guys? But I'm very thankful for where I have reached, because I'm coming from 1 till I reach 600 and something. I am very thankful. These are so nice flowers. Wow, pretty flowers. What color is that? It's not blue. Oh, look like mauve. Very nice flowers. Wow, beautiful. Are you hearing the birds singing, guys? I wish they were close so that you could hear them singing. I wonder how far I'm going to. Oh God. It's the first me I come up here, so you know. I wonder which spot the gate is. Oh my. There's a gully down there. Enjoy nature's way, guys. Wow, what here up here is so pretty. Oh my. Guys, have a look. Wow, this is pretty. Wow, wow. So beautiful. Oh my. The stretches of these shoe block along the roadside, so pretty. So amazing, guys. Look at them. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, this is the entrance. I don't know if I can go any further. Should have, because it's a public place. But look, guys. Oh, that is Dunscombe. Okay. Oh, this is the entrance, guy, to the villa. The one at the villa of the house. Yeah, guys. Beautiful villa. So clean. Oh. Guys, I'm going to turn back now. You have more villa up the hill, but I'm definitely going to turn back now, guys. Definitely going to turn back. Oh, you have a nice villa up here. Oh my God. It's good to walk, you know. Very good to walk. As you know what is going on. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at this. Oh my. Oh, this is the next villa up here. Oh my. It's good when you can walk and know the places. Ah, this is the next villa, guys. Very beautiful. Wow, look at these flowers. Wow, look at them. Wow, beautiful. Oh my. Can't cut any doors, any of these, because I don't want to get into any trouble. Wow, these are pretty, guys. Look, very beautiful flowers. Very pretty. Very beautiful flowers, guys. Banana. I think this is the same banana flowers, but they shoot other things inside. Wow, very pretty. I don't know if it's private. This one is a private property. Wow, we have some nice flowers up here. I wonder if I can cut some. Wow. This look is seems as if it's a private property. I'm not going any further. There, guys, it's chain up and everything. So I'm not going to go any further. Look like this one is proper its own privately. I'm not going to go any further. See there, guys? I'm going to turn back now. But up here is really nice. I wonder if I can cut one of these flowers. See there, guys? This one is nice as well. Yes, guys, I'm here again, guys, and I'm going back and down the next hill, right? So please look as you go along, guys, and please like up the video as you come along, guys. I really appreciate that. So I'm going down back now. There's still more houses up the top, but I have to go back now because remember I am at work. Yes, guys, up here is very relaxing, very beautiful. You can see everything when you're up the hill. You hear the birds now? Thank you so much, guys, for your support and love every time. Up here is so quiet. It's a different from when you're in the town. You hear vehicle passing, you hear the sea rushing, but you're up on the hill now where it's very quiet and relaxing. I'm going down back the hill now. Guys, this is a is a fresh cut tree. Fresh cut. See it here, guys? Fresh cut. No, no, I'm not doing that, man. I want to do that. Yes, this is a fresh cut tree. When it get cut like fresh cut, you scrape it and you put it on it, and it heals up very fastly. And it stick to it. It don't drop off. It's like a glue. So it stick to it. If you have a fresh cut, you can scrape it and put it onto it. That's what we always use when we get cut. Mama and Dada always use it when you get cut. Look at it, fresh cut. And you have it in red and white also. Yes, guy. Oh, fresh cut, guys. Yes. Love you. Thanks also for your support and love every time. I can't forget to say that. Yes, guys. So, I'm going down now, guys. My hand tired though. Going down back the hill now, guys. Love you guys. Catch you later. Yes, this is the amazing M&G girl. I have cut my flowers. See it here, guys. And these are what I'm going to use to decorate my villa. Yes, guys. I love you all so much. Peace and love. Happiness to you all. And remember, guys, forgive one another. And let us all live in peace, unity, happiness at all times. Right, guys? I love you so much. I'm going down back the hill now. So, guys, please remember now to like up the video as you come along. Please tell your friends and your families, your loved ones, to please support the amazing M&G girl. Right, I'm trying my best, guys. Yes, and I love you all. And remember, to all those who have YouTube, if you don't see me comment on it same time, guys, don't give up on me. As soon as I get the time, I'll always come and support you. Yes, guys, I love you all so much, guys. And remember now, please subscribe, like, and share to the amazing M&G channel. Love you all, guys. Have a blessed weekend now. And may the happiness of God be with you always. Love you all, guys. Bye. Bye, guys. Oh, the flowers are my drop. Bye, guys.